Hi everybody, today we will talk about the rarest blood type in the world, the golden blood. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Among the many common and rare blood types that people carry, there is one type, which is the rarest at all, and there are only about 43 people in the whole world who carry it. And it is called Rh null, and it is characterized by the absence of the Rh factor in it, which is the most prevalent factor among blood types. Blood of most humans. Of the 43 people who carry this rare species, according to the Daily Mail, 9 are currently active donors. In addition to being special for these people, the Rh null blood type, which experts have dubbed the golden blood, is very valuable as a universal blood type, which can be donated to anyone with rare blood types within the Rh system. This means that the ability of a person carrying this type to save the lives of others is enormous when it comes to blood transfusions. The topic of blood groups is more complicated than you might like it to be, but here's some info. Our bodies are full of red blood cells that carry oxygen to all areas of the body. Antigens cover these cells. The similarity of the antigens on the red blood cells is like telling your body which organ to go to deliver oxygen, and the body prevents the antibodies from reaching it. Your white blood cells stick to these antigens to act as a shield against infection. The two main antigens are A and B. The type is determined by the genes that are inherited from the father and the mother and are dominant genes. While the O antigen is considered a rare gene, there is also the D antigen, which is responsible for determining whether your blood type is positive or negative, A plus, A, B plus, B, and so on. There are 35 blood groups recognized by the International Society of Blood Transfusion, but for the sake of simplicity, most people only really need to know the two most important ones, ABO system and Rhesus D system. There are hundreds of different antigens divided into 33 recognized systems. However, most of them are not well known because, for example, 99.9% of people have the VEL antigen, so VEL is not added to your blood type, e.g. a B VEL plus. Therefore, blood type analysis for the most important and effective antigen is simplified and shortened. Aside from the 8 common blood types, we have a few exceptions. For example, 160 out of 342 blood type antigens have a high prevalence in our body, which means that most people have these antigens in their red blood cells. If you lack an antigen that 99% of people carry, your blood type is considered rare. If you lack an antigen that 99.99% of people carry, then congratulations, you are a superhero. The rarest blood type that ever exists is the Rh null blood type, and this type is characterized by the absence of the Rh system in the blood, which is the largest and most prevalent in the blood types of most humans, including the D system as well as more than 50 other most common antigen systems. This type of blood is considered so rare that only 43 people on the planet have ever been reported to have this blood type, and only 9 are currently active donors. Until 1961, doctors assumed that a person who lacked all Rh antigens would not be able to survive immediately after birth. Besides feeling special for people with this rare blood type, Rh null and other rare blood types are very valuable. Because Rh null can be considered a universal blood type, a donor can donate to anyone with rare blood types within the Rh system. Its life-saving potential is enormous, and as such, it is also highly valued by clinicians, although it will only be given to patients in the most extreme circumstances and after very careful consideration, because it may be impossible to replace it with any other strain. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching.